Hi there everybody, it's Kay and BJ here on my Tennessee homestead. Our feet are wet. So in my last video, I showed you the walk around and all the jobs that I have to do to get ready for bad weather. And we did get hit right after that. Right after I filmed that, we got hit with about 2 hours of steady rain, so it was just enough to keep things alive, give the grass one more good soaking. And since the sun came out, which you're going to see right now, I came down and decided to harvest my first big mess of peas. Take a look. I'm just dropping the dried ones in here with the fresh ones, and I'll sort it out when I get to the house. These are all dried, these are all fresh. But, you know, this will be too tough to eat at this point, so I'll peel these open and cook them fresh. I just wanted to point out that I came down here in the rain and I added more clover seed. See all this seed here? I added that. It was raining, I didn't bring my camera down here, so I just really wanted to get all these bare spots filled in. And it's interesting, I don't even know what this is, but this seems to be all through it. This is the clover, obviously, but I don't know what this is. Wow, there's a big rock over here. That could have really messed up the... That could have messed up the tractor. The cannas are still giving me beauty down by the road. Look at those red torches. I had a wonderful bean shelling partner in California. It's a young boy that lived next door. His name was Zachary, and he loved shelling beans. Hopefully he's still interested in gardening. wasps in here, but they're moving pretty slow. Picking beans is a little bit hard on the back, I gotta say. But I'm getting so much help from the kitties. I can only imagine how fast my grandmother used to pick. So, this is all I'm going to pick today. As you can see, the sun is down behind the hill over there. And I just had to make a video because this is the largest harvest of peas or beans I've ever had in my life. It's incredible, look. And this is not even half of what's in there. So I'm gonna have some dried beans for the winter and also some fresh beans I'm going to eat now. If there's enough fresh, I will put them in the freezer. That's what my grandmother used to do. I will flash, what do you call it? I will dunk them in hot water. What's it called? Oh me. Anyway, I'm so excited. I feel so blessed to have this experience, you know, at my age, my time in life, to be able to experience excess, abundance, you know. I've never, the only thing that I've ever grown in abundance is tomatoes. And one day, I think it was 2014, I harvested 46 pounds of tomatoes in that tiny little garden. That was incredible. And I'll put the link right up there so you can see. I arranged it all with the sun hitting it. It was such a beautiful selection of varieties and all of that. But I'm so glad I have an opportunity to do something on a grander scale and to be the caretaker of this little piece of paradise that God has given us. So thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned. I'll be making something with these. And where are you? Hi. Want to say hi? Want to say hi? I know. I know. She follows me everywhere. So this is BJ. And this is really as far down, I mean the road is right there, 50 feet from me. And I want her to have a healthy fear of traffic. Watch out, watch out, watch out, car, that's a car, be careful, be careful. I'm not an animal trainer. I don't know if that's the right thing to do. So I can't wait to sit down tonight and shell some peas. And you know, if it was cold enough, I'd build my first fire. I've been telling myself I am so ready to try and build a fire, because now it's been since last March or April. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I will be attacking all of this again soon, getting this wrapped up. I want to put this whole end of this garden to bed. It'll be very different because that end is all clover, and I'm going to be handling that in a completely different way. But this was 15 feet off of the end of it, and it has hay around, but all the weeds came up right where the plants are. So I have to eliminate these weeds, put down manure if I can find it, at least compost, and then cover it with more hay. So big job, but I'm looking forward to all of it. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Come on, let's go, let's go. Come on. That hill. Nice spot. Come here, pretty. Come here, baby. Come on. Oh, that's a good boy. They look a lot like a black-eyed pea, except they're the same. They're skin color. Look at that. It's almost exactly the same color. Flesh color. Black-eyed peas are white. So let's just see how many you have in a pod. Quite a few. There's 4. About 16. If I were planting these, I would select the biggest, plumpest looking ones. But all of these you can eat. Good. Okay, let's get inside. Kitties are shredding my tarp. Kitties, please don't make it worse. I need to get that compost in the beds. There is nothing quite like coming into your kitchen on a cool gray day, it's hot, to the smell of chicken soup. I'm going to be showing you my special recipe soon. If you enjoyed this video, please watch these. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you in the next video.